Hi, this is Tasha, and I'm going for a walk. And I'm trying to decide if I'm going to call this series Walk and Talk or Walk and Rant. Seeing how my first video was Walk and Rant, because I was frustrated with my subscribers not really talking to me. It's kind of weird, because all I'm trying to do is provide value, you know? And I know that there are people out there who are just sending out pieces of crap. And you know this crap is called spam. They don't provide you any kind of valuable content. They don't share with you their struggles, the same struggles that you would be going through, and how they overcame those struggles. They just send in stupid links that lead to nothing, or worse, take your identity or whatever. So they make my job a lot harder, which sucks. But at the same time, at least I know how to stand out, you know? That's always important. So, how are you guys doing? What are you doing? What have you been doing since being in shelter in place? Well, I have definitely been keeping myself busy with my online business. And I've been reaching out to my subscribers, whether I get responses or not. And actually, I have been getting a couple. They trickle in every now and again. You know, every other blue moon, I'll get a response that's saying, hey, I'm really interested, but I don't have the money. Will this really work for me? And I always respond, guys. That's another thing that you should look out for when you do sign up for different stuff. Do they actually respond when you send them an email? If they don't, unsubscribe, you know? If they don't want your business, then they shouldn't be asking you for your name and email and trying to give you something to improve your livelihood. And then they don't respond back. That's just piss poor business skills. And I don't do that. I respond, okay? So I want you to know that. It's been kind of aggravating to be stuck at home. I will admit that when I was driving for Uber Eats in San Francisco, there'd be times when I was like, I don't feel like going out and working for my money. I just wish I could stay home and get it all the time without working. And that's kind of sort of happening right now. But again, it's not the circumstance I want. I don't want to be shelter in place. You know, I don't want to worry about lack of essentials, but those problems exist anyway, or despite that. So all we can do, or all I can do, actually all we can do, is take it one day at a time. And if that's too much for you, take it down an hour at a time, or one breath at a time. We'll get through this. I'm sorry I can't tell you when, but we will. And I know that some of you probably have families. You have mouths to feed, and you can't work anymore. And that's unfortunate, but also this is a prime opportunity for you to jump on the work at home and earn that passive income online. Online hasn't shut down, right? I'm still able to go on different websites. I'm still able to post. The internet hasn't shut down because of this stupid virus. In fact, a lot more people are online, which means if you wanted to start your own business and you didn't know where to start, I can help you with that. If you've already started and you need traffic, your traffic is online, guys. They're all online now. They're at home. There's no excuse. They are either watching TV, they're outside playing in their backyard or front yard, or they're online. That's it. Those are the three places. And the three places that count, out of all those three, it's online. Now, granted, if you have physical products, that's going to be tricky because, you know, especially if you're working through Amazon or if you have drop shipping. I don't really know a whole lot about drop shipping and all that stuff, but I get it. You know, that's frustrating. But also, again, it's still an opportunity for you guys to figure out, okay, how can I complement this physical product and put it in the digital world and still have people pay for it? I'm still providing a service. I'm still providing value. Somebody's getting what they want and I'm giving it to them, and I'm getting paid as the byproduct. It's time for you guys to get creative. You can't do it by yourself, that's fine. Get your wife, get your husband, get your kids. I don't care how old they are. Ask them, hey, help mommy. How can I make this shirt a digital, how can I make this, why not? This shirt, how can I get a complimentary digital something to go with this shirt? And then write it down, brainstorm. Even if the idea is completely stupid or unrealistic, just do it. And you'll find that you're really creative. And I find that when we're really pinched, when we are backed into that corner, that flight or fright, I think it's time for you guys to fight, because that's what's been done to me. I find I'm incredibly resourceful when I'm desperate. And I think that's the same for you guys. You just got to kind of press your own button. I'm out of work. What am I going to do now? Don't sit and cry about it. Don't sit and worry about it. Do something about it. Again, write it down. Brainstorm. Doesn't matter how stupid the idea is. Again, doesn't matter how unrealistic it sounds when you write it down, but just keep doing it. And doing it every single day. Write something new down. And I'm telling you guys, you're resourceful. You're resourceful when it counts. And I think that's pretty much all I have to say for now. Again, I'm going to try and work on either walk and talk or walk and rant. I kind of like both. What do you guys think? Walk and talk or walk and rant? That gives me something else to do now. Now I can create a logo for my YouTube page. All right, guys, stay safe. And remember, after you've jotted down your brainstorm, now you can go watch TV. Now you can go play with your kids. Now you can read that book. Now you can Netflix all night. All right. Hang in there. Stay safe.